How to create custom email? Go to your control panel. Scroll down and go to email accounts. Also, you can search it from here and open. After that, click create. From here, select your domain. Write here your email address. So info. So our custom email will be info@nysa.com. From here, set your password. Go to edit setting and select unlimited. Then click create. Alright, successfully we have created our custom email. Now click here. It will take a few moments. Now click open. Now you can manage your custom email from here. You can send and receive messages online. You can also access your mail with another system. After your domain name, keep slash and write webmail. Then click enter. Then write here your custom email address and password. Then click login.